Nestled deep within the remote mountains of China, there exists a community that effortlessly turns heads and prompts awe, the Red Yao people. This community has long been the subject of fascination, not for their unique culture alone, but for their extraordinarily long glossy hair. But what is the secret behind their floor-length locks? It's a series of unique hair care rituals developed and perfected over centuries. A cornerstone of these rituals is a deep respect for nature. The Red Yao people understand that the best ingredients are those provided by Mother Earth herself. Their routine commences with the collection of herbs, leaves, and flowers from the mountains, all of which play a pivotal role in their hair care concoctions. Perhaps the most intriguing facet of their regimen is the use of rice water. This humble ingredient, often discarded in many cultures, has been their hair care staple for generations. After washing their hair with water, a rinse with fermented rice water follows. This simple yet powerful ritual strengthens the hair, enhances shine, and encourages growth. Herbal infusions also have a significant place in their routine. The Red Yao people are well versed in the benefits of local herbs for hair care. They steep these herbs in hot water, creating a potent infusion that nourishes the scalp, stimulates hair growth, and imparts a natural shine. To keep their hair soft and healthy, they harness the power of natural oils. Oils such as camellia, coconut, and sesame are generously applied to the hair and scalp. This practice deeply nourishes the hair, combats dryness, and shields the hair from environmental damage. The Red Yao people also prioritize gentle hair care practices. They shun harsh brushes or combs that can lead to breakage. Instead, wide-toothed wooden combs are their tools of choice, helping distribute natural oils and prevent tangles. They also let their hair air dry naturally, steering clear of the damage caused by excessive heat from styling tools. Another key element of their hair care regimen is diet and hydration. They believe that hair health stems from within. Thus, they maintain a balanced diet abundant in vitamins, minerals, and proteins, all crucial for healthy hair growth. Hydration is also of paramount importance, with plenty of water consumed daily to keep their hair and scalp moisturized from the inside out. In conclusion, the Red Yao people's ancient hair care rituals offer valuable insights into achieving luxurious, healthy hair. Their deep respect for nature, the use of natural ingredients like rice water and herbal infusions, regular oiling, gentle hair care practices, and a balanced diet all contribute to their stunning locks. By incorporating some of these practices into our own routines, we too can unlock the secrets to nurturing our hair and perhaps achieve a level of lustrous beauty akin to the Red Yao people.